Well, good morning YouTube. It's Sunday the 3rd of October and I'm just on my way to the Raven Cafe to meet up with Piggy and Space Boy and the rest of the Piggy's riders, and from there we are, I believe, off to the off to the Ponderosa Cafe, and then from there I have no idea. So I'm looking forward to seeing Piggy and Roy again. Haven't seen them since the Lake Verney tour.
Keep it
yeah, here's James now. You ready?
Yeah.
See you in a bit.
I love you, see you in a bit.
Can you guys hear me alright?
Alright. Yeah, I got you.
Love you, see you in a bit. Come on, Roy.
Clear at the moment on that junction.
Is the guy on the Ducati in the BMW with us?
No.
In 1 mile, keep left.
Car broke down here. Fucking indicate hazards on and then he's just fucking pulled off.
Yeah. Between the three of us, so I don't know. Couldn't tell you.
I don't know.
In 3 miles, turn left, then enter roundabout.
I just saw crutches on his back, yeah. Hop along Cassidy.
Wow.
Right in the middle. Red.
I need to save up and get myself a new pair of tyres soon.
Thought you meant tights then. You say.
What are you having?
I'm thinking about those Michelin Pilot Road 5s.
Yeah, that's what I've got on now, mate. Absolutely mint tire.
See, I had the 4s on my SG, they were fucking good and all.
Yeah.
Just it depends on if they have the right size, so you're fine.
Yeah, they do them, I've checked.
Yeah.
Good
I'd
size, mate.
I'd definitely go for the 5s.
Because this just still feels a bit, you know, slippy, if that makes any
Skippy.
sense.
Yeah, or the skippy on the fence.
Yeah, but that's only when you're down on that campsite, that is.
Oh, I thought they were dead sticky when you went pull off that morning. It's not dead. Mate, I had to walk off because I shouted at everybody saying, fuck, he's gone. And then when I saw that yellow fucking stretchy string on, I walk off laughing. Because my ribs were killing me. I walked behind the back of my van. I couldn't stand there because of a fucking... I'm sorry, mate, but...
Oh, it's alright.
I thought, as soon as they stood it up and your fucking idiot string was still attached, I thought,
everybody's done it.
yeah. I've done it, but I haven't dropped my bike, if you know what I mean. But when you're not expecting it...
I was lucky I didn't drop it when I did it in front on that little car park. Luckily, I was just edging forward to get out the car park when it happened to me, just saying thud. But then again, that's up my front brake up, that did.
Yeah, you can't do it.
The rest of the week, I had to... I should rewind it, the first time...
Half a mile, turn left, then enter roundabout.
I shall be looking at that then.
Yeah, about an extra 10, 15 quid. Well, you get about an extra pound a mile though.
Worth it then, innit?
No, yeah, really, it's worth it.
Oh, don't, Gordon, don't.
Gordon!
Oh, has he just gone? Well, has he gone for it?
I'm gonna call him Captain Fucking Dangerous. Bastards. How you getting on with that helmet anyway?
It's okay. It's the other week I had something digging into me back of me head, but seeing as there's no wires in there, I couldn't
That was
figure...
my dick, because you're a dickhead.
Oh. Well, yeah, I left myself open to that, didn't I?
Yeah.
Can I sniff your car? Oh, Cronenberg.
Oh, God, he's off.
Fucking Cronenberg. 16 from the back and 64 from the front.
Don't mind any from that. I'd buy that for $1.
Yeah, but so far I haven't had any of the problems that I've had with the previous helmets of it really fogging up when it's raining.
Yeah, how about wind noise?
Wind noise is about the same.
Yeah.
But I wear earplugs anyway, so...
With you. Down that then?
No.
Where?
There's a sign back there,
Museum
just said
down there.
Motor Museum.
Yeah, I've never been. It never looks like it's fucking open. Gravel.
3/4 of a mile. Keep right.
Cattle grid.
Diesel on the corner there.
I know, I just saw something as I was coming up, that's why I slowed right now.
You can see blobs on the road, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I've slowed down a little bit. And on this bend there, all around here.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Some fucking farmers leaking red everywhere, aren't they?
I'm leaking. That's it, can't you?
Hey? First time up here, Gordon.
Yeah, never been before.
I can't believe that.
3/4 of a mile. Turn right, then arrive at destination.
Sheepdog Road.
I've never been up this way. I only used to go like Winking Man and that.
There you go, you know the way now then, mate. No, you don't, do you?
No.
Ruth, I've been up here for the last couple of years and my sat nav takes me a different way each time, so I can never remember which way to go.
See, I'm one of them, I am. Once I've been once, that's it.
Yeah.
I fucked it anywhere.
Yeah.
But I'm shit at street names, do you know what I mean? I'm shit at street names or road numbers.
Turn right. Coppers are here, or blood bikers. Coppers.
Coppers.
Right.
Hey?
Oh,
Arriving at destination on right.
Oh.
same colour and everything.
What do you think, Gordon?
That's it, somewhere.
You're right.
Oh, you're going to make me park next to me park.
You're that son.
I'm fucking way over here. Fuck, I've had my blue light on. Yeah, they got an Africa twin.